Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the another exercise at CS with Alam. Okay, the first question is a full size blank window will open. Complete the code. Variable grade big window equals to window dot open. Check your answer. Answer is correct. Next question. A full-size blank window will open. Complete the code. So for this, we will just write here initialize a variable like where big pop and check our answer. Answer is correct. Next question. Close a window whose handle is FAQ. So I will write FAQ dot close like FAQ dot close. I will call it and semicolon. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. An HTML has been assigned to string has been assigned to the variable content. Load the string into a window whose handle is info. For this, we will have to write info dot document dot write content document dot write content and semicolon. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Drag and drop. Open a new window whose handle is W. So I will write where W equals window dot open window dot open bracket open code started link and code and bracket close and semicolon. So let's check our answer against check our code against the correct code. So this is our code and yes, our code is right. I will hit I got it right. Okay, next question. Open a new window on the current site whose handle is popup and whose document is offer.html. So for first uh, variable popup, so I will write where popup equals window.open bracket codes and what offer.html offer.html code close bracket close and semicolon. The answer is correct. Next question. Fill a window whose handle is high with an H1 head that says hello world. So for this we write hi dot document dot write hi dot document dot write bracket started quotes open H1 and we'll write what hello world. I will write hello world and oh, sorry space. Okay, W is small, so hello world space exclamation mark भी है साथ exclamation mark and H1 close code close bracket close and semicolon. Our answer is correct. Next question. Open a blank window giving it a name. So I will write, for example, where pop sorry where pop equal window dot open window dot open simple. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Open a window loading a document that's represented by a variable. So we will just pass new document into a open method. So I will write where pop use the old variable where pop equal window dot open and I will pass here open new document like new document semicolon and check our answer and answer is correct. Next question. Open a blank window, then close it. So for this, use where pop window dot open again window dot open semicolon and next line we will close it. So pop dot close and brackets and semicolon. Check your answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Open a document loading an HTML file that shares the same host and subdirectory as the original document. So for this, you write. I will use the old one variable where pop equal window.open window.open and pass the HTML file, for example, crackle.html, and it should be in quotes. The last one, I will add the semicolon and check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question, display a paragraph with text content read in a window that's already open whose handle is pop. So I will write pop.document.write pop.document.write brackets quotes, and what is it? It's a window display a paragraph. So I will use p tag for paragraph, you know. And what should be paragraph? Paragraph is V, W H double E and exclamation mark and last semicolon. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Open a document loading an HTML file that shares the same host and subdirectory as the original document. As we did it again, so do it again. Where pop equal window.open window.open will pass in quotes what crackle.html crackle.html semicolon and check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. A full size blank window will open. Complete the code. Okay, is I think the first one MCQ, so the answer is window.open only. I will write window.open brackets semicolon. Check your answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. A full size blank window will open. Complete the code. Okay, we will just write here the variable name. I will write where big pop equal and check your answer. Answer is correct. Next question. Close a window whose handle is FAQ. So I will use FAQ.close like this. FAQ.close and check your answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. An HTML string has been assigned to the variable content. Load the string into a window whose handle is info. So I will write info.document.write and I will pass the content into document.write method. So I will write info.document.write and will pass what? Content. This one. I'll pass content and semicolon. Check your answer. Answer is correct. Next question. Open a blank window. So I will use a variable where pop equals to window dot open. Simple. Window dot open bracket semicolon. Sorry. Semicolon. I will use space here. Check your answer. Our answer is correct. Open a window loading a documents that represented by a variable. So we'll do it. I will use where pop again. Oh, sorry. Where pop window.open and we'll pass here a new document file like new document semicolon. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Open a blank window then close it. So it's very easy. We already did it. Where pop for open, I will write window dot open semicolon and for closing, you know what I will to write? Pop dot close. Yes, pop dot close semicolon and check your answer. Answer is correct. Hence, our exercise number chapter exercise of chapter 79 finished. Thank you so much for watching videos. Stay tuned for the next exercise, chapter number 80.